time on Angry Birds Rio. Okay, we're in the plane. We have to rescue our friends Blue and Joe and Nico and Pedro. Okay. I'll go find him. You guys are here. What the? How? Bubbles? Is that you? Yes, we've been in the cage. Ha! We're in the cage! Yes, this guy's incredibly annoying. You know him. Yeah, don't worry, we'll rescue you. Terrence, you need a shrink. Don't worry. Terrence, is that you? Yes, you know this guy? There's no time to ask. Don't worry, guys, I'll get you free. Alright, guys, get out. How? Sorry, Terrence. Go, get out. You can do it. Okay. Yeah. You too, Bubbles. Ha! I'm free! I can't believe I'm rescuing this guy. Don't worry, Joe will get you out. But first we have to free them. Yeah. We can use a can of sardines. Okay, what do you want? Sardines! Hooray! We're free! Hooray! Thank you, Mighty Eagle. Yeah, thank you. Hooray, we're free. Oh, thank you very much. Honk, honk. Now I'm gonna free you. Hold up, not so fast. Oh man, it's Nigel. It's a wacko bird brain. Oh no, we have to stop Nigel. Yeah, but how? This guy's too tough. If we team up, we'll be able to stop him. Oh yeah, you birdies don't stand a chance. Come and get me. Don't worry, guys, I'll handle this, huh? Oh, pfft. Ah! Hooray, I'm free! Okay, I'm gonna launch myself. Wow! Oi! Ow! Ow! Oh! Ow! Stop slapping me! Come on, we gotta get out of here! Not so fast! Ah! Hey, let him go! Ah! Oh no! Ah! Joel, my wing! This is great. Now we have 2 useless flightless birds. Oh yeah? Yeah, ow! What the? Oh no! Sardines! Ah! Ah, that's it. I'm out of here. Oh, I'm gonna take slice. Ah! Hooray! We did it! Oh no! Joel! Oh no, we're coming, guys! We're gonna crash! Oh no! Ah! Yeah! We have eggs! Uh-oh! The plane is gonna crash! Run for your lives! Ah! Ah! Ow, that really hurt. Our eggs! Hooray! We have our eggs! Yeah! I wonder how our friends are doing. We're free fun this way! Yay! Yay! Ugh. Man, I can't believe I'm naked! Oh man, I'm so humiliated. You're naked! Ah! Man, I am so embarrassed.